That's Miss Josie De Leon, a member of the board of the UAAP from FEU. Obviously intently looking at the fate of these young girls as they try and take down one of the veterans in the women's volleyball tourney. That's, of course, UST. And, the Tigresses possess a 3-point lead here in set number 3, 8 serving 5. Good diagonal serve coming from Banaticla. Nice one-handed save from Morada, which results in a power tip by Ortiz.
Mike Ortiz winning that joust over at the net.
Layo eh.
Layo. Majorly Rojas, you can still see that
can force the jump, ano?
Yeah. May konting alalay pa din, ano? Ooh, straight into the net. Maru serve.
FEU, a free point. Richelle Bagang will get ready to serve for FEU. This little girl packs a lot of power in. Speaking of power, that's Ortiz. Good dig by Agno. Vargas readjusting. Reyes wanted to go down the line. That was too wide.
No touch there from the block. Reyes missing the line.
Both teams looking for their rhythm here in set number 3.
Nice
Medyo
serve.
nakangapa pareho. Good serve from Bagang. Reyes. Here's Vargas.
Oh, nice block by Rojas.
Anticipating the Di Maculangan tip. Major Rojas, again a factor.
Yes, great read by Rojas. Timing na timing. Walang pupuntahan yung tip ni Rhea. And that's what Rojas can do in the middle. You know, in fact, yung basa niya yun, it really influences now Rhea's drops. Kasi alam niya, there's a Major Rojas right there.
Both teams struggling to get their rhythm going here, ano? Parehong nagkakaroon ng errors after good play.
Yeah.
Errors on the serve, errors on the attack.
No solid run for either team.
Exactly.
Ooh!
But Vargas, power hit right there.
Look at that. Splitting the block. Making sure of that point. Nice serve.
Reyes. Agno playing great
Ganda
defense here in set number 3. Reyes from both ends of the floor. They go to her again.
To Agno.
Baniel through the block. Finally, FEU able to get a string of points here. We're tied at 10 all.
This is a strong front row for FEU. You've got Baniel, you've got Vargas and Rojas. This time it was Baniel actually hitting it off the block.
2 straight points for the Lady Tamaraws.
Poor
Tigresses
reception.
looking for something.
Poor reception from UST.
And also for FEU, Bagang. Caballejo will not cross the net. Off the tape. FEU 3 straight points. Iyan, ano? And
With
they
the lead.
take the lead away from UST 11-10. Bumalik si Lastimosa replacing Reyes
11.
para sa UST.
Lady Tamaraws now on top. Giselle C. serving.
3 straight points, or make that 2 straight points off the Giselle C serve for FEU. Agno has been playing great defense today, at least here in this set. Free ball, FEU. Baniel off the block.
Nice save by Agno.
Vargas. They go to Ortiz. Over received by C. Another chance for UST with a kill. Nice dig by C, but it was off the side of the net.
Long rally right there. One of the best rallies we've seen in this match. Look at this off-speed from Lastimosa. Chelsea not able to pick it up. And the second touch, it was already beyond the antenna.
11-all, set number 3.
Ganda nung reception ni Agno.
Vargas had the right idea. Kinapos lang.
Again, this is not the usual Vargas we're seeing. You know?
Well, obviously she's trying to be careful. Ang laki din kasi ng blockers ng USD. So she really has to change it up a lot of the times. Rojas blocked again by that solid defense of USD at the net. Free ball for FEU. Vargas. Oh, that's off the tape of the net again. Vargas, 2 straight errors.
Yes.
USD take a 2-point lead.
She's a bit unsure right now. Nakita mo, hindi siya ganun ka-firm doon sa approach niya and doon sa palo niya, lalo na.
13 serving 11.
This time she gets it in, though.
Caballejo also does. And USD with a bit of a rally here in terms of scoring. They're up by 3 already. As you take a look at the Caballejo down the line hit, and that's a cause for concern para kay Coach Pamilar. He calls a timeout. We'll listen to FEU.
Diskarte lang. Ha? Oji, sabihan mo. Okay, nakita mo. Pag set na gano'n, sinuhan mo. Pag nag-block, dalawa o isa. Para makadiskarte rin siya, ha? Ngayon, pum-overage tayo. Ha? Lahat na atake ko overage natin. Ha? So, huwag tayo manghigil. Relax lang.
As the bench of FEU rose, I also spy Mr. Anton Montinola.
Yeah, he's here.
Watching the game para sa FEU, obviously member of the board as well. At UAAP from FEU. Ano ka-importante itong game na to para sa kanila?
Also, he was here during the Addison FEU match
2 days ago. Rojas with a tip. Caballejo. Vargas. Nice dig by Caballejo. She's doing everything here in this part of set number 3, defending and attacking. Caballejo's been checked in the last couple of minutes. Oh, Caballejo drilling that one in again.
That was a good play for USD. After the return, Caballejo, look at that approach. Perfect swing. Bagang not able to read that attack from Caballejo.
And Judy Caballejo is all over the floor right now para sa USD.
Yeah.
15-11 Tigresses against the Lady Tamaraos. Rojas. Caballejo again. Oh, and Caballejo almost got that point
by Giselle.
It's a free ball for USD. Caballejo. Oh, she scores again!
She's loving it right now.
And who doesn't? Amazing performance by the USD veterans. 16-11 is the USD lead over FEU in set number 3.